Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make garlic chutney. This is a very spicy and delicious side dish that best goes with idlis and dosas. Very quick and an instant recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and to this add 1 teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add half teaspoon of Urad Dhal, half teaspoon of Channa Dhal and 2 dried red chillies. Saute well for a few seconds. Then to this add 10 garlic pods and 5 shallots. Saute well until the shallots turns transparent. Then to this add 1 small piece of tamarind and mix it well. Then off the flame and allow it to cool completely. It's been 5 minutes and the ingredients are cool now. Transfer it to a mixer jar. To this add quarter teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of water. Grind this to a very fine paste. Transfer the ground paste to a bowl. Season the garlic chutney with some mustard seeds and curry leaves. Now a delicious garlic chutney is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some idlis or dosas and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this garlic chutney recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.